Hello friends. In this video, I will show you how to configure Google Cloud Console so that you can get client IDs, which will allow you to connect Google Workspace services with n8n. As you can see here, you can get these tools connected to the AI agent once you configure Google Cloud Console. So let's dive in. So open a browser and write console.cloud.google.com. Now enter your email ID. Once you log in, so when you open it for the first time, it may ask you to accept some service policies and everything. You can simply select and click on accept and continue. You will be redirected to this page. On the top left, click the hamburger icon menu. Then here, click on APIs and services. Click on OAuth consent screen. So click on create project. Give your project any name. My project 1. Location, you can just write anything, it really doesn't matter. Click on create. So it will take some time and your project is created. Great. Now click on clients on the left. So it says Google Auth platform not configured yet. So click on get started. Just give any name to your app. Choose your email ID. Click on next. Click on external. Click on next. Again, enter your email ID or any email ID that you want to select here. Click on next. Click on finish, continue, and then click on create. So now the project is created. Click on clients on the left. And from here, you can create your client IDs. So click on create client on the top. Here, application type, choose web application. Name your web application anything that you want. I'll leave it as it is. Now, when you scroll down, you'll see this authorized direct URIs. This is where you will have to add a URI. Now, to get this URI, you will have to go to n8n. Click on the plus and search for Gmail. Choose anything. Choose the trigger. Here, credential to connect with. Let me increase the size. Here, you will click on create new credential. Now, this is the link, the OAuth redirect URL. This is what you need. Copy this, go back to the console, paste it here, then click on create. So now that the client ID and client secret is available, copy the client ID, go back to n8n. Here, copy the client ID here. Now we need a client secret, go back to the console, copy the client secret, paste it here, click on save. Now that you see here, it's asking us to sign in with Google. Click on sign in with Google. Select your email ID. Click on continue. Give it all the rights. Select all. Read, compose, manage draft, view your emails, everything. Click on continue. See this. It will show you connection successful, and on the right you can see here account connected message. It's done. So now your Gmail trigger or Gmail is connected with your n8n. Now let's head back to the console because there are a few more steps left. You can copy this and keep it somewhere because this will be again used when you want to connect your Google Sheets, Google Documents, Google Calendar, anything. So I'll also copy this. I've copied my client ID and client secret. We click on OK. As you can see here, Web Client 2, it's created. If you click on this, see this. Here, client ID is visible, client secret is not visible, but yes, you can still copy it. So we are safe. Click on the top left hamburger menu. Go to APIs and services. Click on enable APIs and services. Here, as you can see, I have enabled all these APIs, but when you create it for the first time, it won't be available. On the top, click on Enable APIs and Services, the icon there. Here, there are all the Google Workspace services available. Let me search something. See, come here, choose Google Workspace, click on View All. It will show you all the services available in Google Workspace that you can call using the client IDs. So let me check Google Slides API. Click on this. I clicked on Enable and the service was enabled. That's why this button, Disable API, is visible. I'll go back. So see here, this list: Gmail API, Google Calendar API, Docs, Drive, Form, Sheets, Slides, Tasks, all these were enabled. So this is how you can enable the Google Workspace APIs and services. Now we'll head back to n8n. So you saw the Google services that we enabled, and now I'll add Google Sheets. Okay, before adding Google Sheets, just see here all the services that you can control via the client IDs: Google Ads, Google Chat, Docs, Books, Drive, Tasks, Sheets, Slide, Gemini, Google BigQuery, Calendar, Contacts. This list is quite big. Google is free of cost. You can learn really amazing things, how to automate all the stuff. So I'll encourage you, follow the steps, enable the client IDs, start experimenting with Google. It's all free of cost and you will enjoy it. Now we'll go back to the voice assistant. As you can see here, inside the voice assistant, if you click on this tool and then search for, let's say, Google, once I write Google, a long list will be shown. Select the one that you want to use. Like I'll choose Google Slides tool because I haven't used it yet. See here, it's showing no credentials are created because even though you have created the client ID, while creating or adding any Google service that you haven't used in n8n, you will have to configure it for the first time. So click on Create New Credential. You already have the client ID and client secret. Paste it. Click on Sign in with Google. Click on the email that you used to create the client IDs. Click on Continue. Select all. Click on Continue. And connection successful. So I hope you have understood how to connect your Google Workspace services with n8n and get started with learning automation. So I hope you liked the video, you understood how to connect Google services, and I encourage you to learn and subscribe to my channel because I'll bring more automation tutorials for you to make your life easy and solve real world problems.